Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 Coupe 4MATIC. This one is a Selenight gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights, 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior, sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, set of all-season floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, black ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC Coupe has 34,654 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC Coupe, check out feldmannimports.com.